Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day. I'm still working on my other two green day. I think I had one red day, one green day, and we're gonna work on that video. But got a green day today. Stay tuned. Yo, what's up, traders? Looking for that pullback. Didn't get quite all the way down into the 50. I saw it get down there and it pulled back. See the level two. See what it just did. 61. It's gonna drop. Look at the bids. 5 on the bid, 53, and then it started to bounce. So I jumped in the high 50s because I wanted to get in there before it got into the 60s. Saw a little, it started bouncing. So jumped in there, 859, 100 shares. Could have took it off right there, but I would a little more. I like this bounce. I like this play. 15-minute candle is still green. It was overextended here. Waited for it to come back. 15-minute candle still overextended, but it did come down here. That's why I bought. So now I'm just waiting for a little push up. Eight o'clock. I hate when 8 o'clock happens. See crap like this. Still just waiting for a little more. Tape slowing up. So here comes the greens. I'm really waiting for that 865 to break. Because it hit the seller there, 865. See all those 865 prints just went through. Still in the axe. Keeps refreshing. See the numbers keep refreshing. It keeps getting bigger. It's a hidden seller there. So I'm just waiting for that hidden seller to lift, and he did. And I'm trying to see get a little more. Did you see that there? Like, you see that little flash? Like, that's a little. To me, that's a little bit of weakness. It got through it, but look at 866. It's going 868. So come down and had that big order, and then I took it off there. It started to slow up. Like, I didn't like what the tape did there. It was at 68 and it dropped to 66 real quick. I didn't like that. Next trade, this was called out in my chat. APRE. It's pushing up. I'm not chasing it. I'm not chasing this stock. I'm waiting for that pullback. Waiting for the pullback. Still pushing up. Still not chasing it. There we go. Got a nice little dip. I did 24. I should have been in there, but see, it's hard to get a feel. Like, you see how did you see how the level two? Just rewind it, but it was acting funny. It was at 16 to 22, 16, 24. So I couldn't get in there at 16 because I thought I was gonna get lower than that, but it was just too hard to get in right there. It was just jumping. So it trapped the bears there. Instantly up 10 cents. I was up 14 cents, but I didn't take it. So I want a bigger move. Like I feel like these shorts are getting squeezed here. Got green on the tape. It's not really going much lower, and if it does, I will add. So it's just like, look at all the green coming, and look at the bid not going low. So there's just no reason for me to sell here, and that's why I did not take that early 10-cent pop. I want more than that. I want it back over 50. But I didn't. I got scared and I took it off. No, actually, no. See, I didn't even see that. Actually, I got half my shares filled at 45 and the rest at 34. So didn't get that 50 break, but I took it off close enough. To go a little dip towards the $6 level, towards the VWAP. Looking for a little lower entry, got in at 612. Could have got in a little bit lower, like 604, 603. Jumped the gun. Didn't add though, didn't add. I didn't want to get dumped on if in case it goes lower on me, so no need to add right here to lower my average. I'm in an okay spot. 603 would have been ideal. Just jumped the gun on that one, but and that 612 still holding. Look at the bid. Look at the tapes. Green going. Look at the axe. See that? It went down, but 608 on the axe. Here comes some selling. 605, but didn't go down. Just ripped up 5 cents. Just ripped up 5 cents on the bid. So when I saw that, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna hold this position. It's some buying pressure down there. Just took it off for a 10-cent pop. I'm up $32 on the day. And I didn't trade this whole chop. Like my strategy is wait for the move. I waited for a move. I'm in here high here. I knew it was gonna kind of come back down here, but this whole section right here, I didn't trade. I just watched this boring crap. It made a move. Now I'm looking for a trade. Got a dip. 678. That's not. It's kind of higher than my strategy. Usually I like for it to come back down a little further towards the 650 level, so like to a $half support level. But this is a strong move. It's a lot of volume. It was a good move up. So I jumped in at 678, anticipating to break over $7. I'm in an okay spot. If it does crack below 50, I get a nice little ad spot, lower my average down. So up here, see how the tape's acting funny up here. Didn't like that. But I'm looking at the ags, and the ags keeps going up. That's why I haven't sold. And got weak right there. Look at the bids. The bids are acting weak, but the ags keeps going up. Keeps lifting. So no reason for me to sell right here. Trying to get this pop. Took it off right there. And it actually breaks 7. Took it off way too soon. Took that off way too soon. Like my plan was to wait till 7. Don't know, like I should have just waited. I got to get better at holding it. That was my plan. Wait for that 7 break. I knew that was going to happen. It's getting overextended now. Look at the 5-minute chart. We have a little pocket here. Come on, man. Come on. It's a little pocket here. And then this candle is getting small. Looks like a reversal. Red on the tape. Look at the bids getting whacked. They're whacking the bids. See, and this is my strategy. I should have took this dip. I don't know why I'm not taking a trade here. I should have took this dip here, but I'm thinking because I'm green on the day, I don't really want to force any trades or rush into a trade, but I'm really tripping on that trade. I should have took this play here because it's gonna pop back over 7. Boom, quick pop, quick sell. I'm tripping on that. That's a mistrade. I would take a bad trade here. I missed that trade. Up $39. I'm up $40 in a day. It kind of made me mad. I saw that play and I didn't take it. So now I'm kind of FOMOing right here. I'm looking for a trade now. I want to get in. Even though it is getting overextended, I'm looking for a trade. It's going to come back down to the $7 level. $7.15, $7.05. Bids is real weak. This is weak. Look at all that red. Look at the bids. Cannot sustain. The bids cannot sustain and go up higher. 7.08. 7.09, 17, 11. It's going up. Starting to get some buying. Look at the tape. Green coming in. Look at the level 2. Red's now on the tape. And the bids on the level 2 are going down. They're not holding. They're not going up fast enough. Heavy sell pressure here. I have a video on on how to identify heavy sell pressure. Check that video out. You go, got in right here at 701. It's not a good trade, so it's an okay trade. Like right now, I need to be trying to sell it for the pot. I got it for 50 shares. I don't want to risk too much of my my profit on the day. But like this, I don't really like this trade too much. This wick, it's too much of a wick here. See, it's too much of a wick. I'm in at 701. I should have been looking to really scalp this trade. This stock is very overextended. I should have maybe take it off right there for like a couple of cents. I'm up 6 cents. Like right there, boom, I should have took it off, made 10 cents. I didn't take it off. I don't know why I didn't do that. And I knew it was gonna reverse. Look at the tape. Look at the tape getting slow and sluggish. Red. That's a reverse. That's a reversal signal. Along with the wick. I knew it. I knew it once it did that and it lost 7. Look 7. Look at 7. Now they stacking up on 7. Look at the big numbers. Look at big numbers on 7. I take it off here for a real small loss. I don't even play with it. I let it test 7. Shit took it off for a gain right there. I let it test 7 and instantly $7 cannot hold. It's a weakness. It's trying, but just too much sell pressure up there. The level 2, the tape getting thick at 697. Tape's too sluggy. That took it off, man. Money Games, Green Day. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe.